Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got for you an entire video dedicated to only skincare and hair care, which is not only my current favorite but all of it is definitely less than 300 rupees. I am super excited. I hope you enjoyed this affordable favorite skincare. Let's jump right into it. Let's go. Alright, I'm going to start off this video by giving you a little disclaimer, and definitely has to be very cliche sounding, and that is, please do a patch test because not everything that works for me may work for you. So yeah, don't blame me if it doesn't. Now to begin with, let me tell you a little bit about my skin type, if I may, and that is I belong from a normal to dry skin. However, I do have quite a couple of products which will work for all skin type, honey. So yeah, you're welcome. And without any further ado, I'm going to pick up things randomly because I don't remember the last time I was very systematic with my videos. The first product that I have for you is actually a hair serum, Streax Pro Hair Serum Vital Gloss. Hair serum enriched with vitamin E for frizz-free satin smooth hair. Now this product does suggest that you can use it on wet and dry hair. However, I personally enjoy using it on wet hair because I feel on dry hair it does tend to weigh down my hair a little bit. So I prefer using this on my freshly washed hair, if I may, and it definitely does help me to keep my hair frizz-free. It does typically tend to add a little bit of shine to my hair. However, I have noticed that if I apply this and then straighten my hair, the shine or the glossiness is all the way more. But again, the only thing that you want to keep in mind while using this product is definitely the fact that you have to use very little amount of this, because otherwise you can easily overdo this product, and also avoid using it on your scalp. And that's pretty much it. I definitely would recommend to everybody out there with really dry hair. Moving on to another product that I have is something that I've already spoken a gazillion times on my channel, and that is the Himalaya freaking toner. Wow, that's definitely not the name, but this is called as the Himalaya Refreshing and Clarifying Toner for all freaking skin type, and it is alcohol free. I really enjoy this on days when my skin is all clear. It definitely adds the boost of hydration, and it is definitely meant for all skin type. Like, you could be oily, dry, extreme, and this is the first thing that I use on my bare skin, and when I top it off with my other skincare, it definitely helps them to get synced into my skin, which is very important. You don't want to lather like 15 different things on your skin. Definitely would recommend to everybody out there. It's super affordable and it does the trick. However, if you're someone who has extremely sensitive skin, or you have acne prone skin and you are looking for a toner, I would highly recommend you to go for the Biotic Cucumber Toner. It is amazing. It will give you a little tingling sensation, but don't worry, it's not going to burn out your skin or anything. It's actually working on those problematic area, and it will definitely get rid of your pimple or whatever is going on to your face within a day or two. At least that's what it does to me. Just wanted to let you know. Now moving on to nails. Now yes, honey, I'm not the kind of person who's into nails. I'm the kind of person who will have chipped nails and I wouldn't give a damn about it. But yeah, these days I've decided to be a little more presentable, a little put together. So yes, I am trying to put on some nail paint, even it's very wrong timing to say because this is what is happening. So I'm not going to use my left hand and I'm going to flaunt my right because that's perfectly fine. Wow, that was pretty irrelevant, but I just thought you should be knowing that. So yeah, with that being said, like I was saying, my personal favorite when it comes to removing my nail paint is definitely this baby right here, the Hiphop Instant Nail Polish Remover Vibes with vitamin E. Alright, now to begin with, I really enjoy these nail paint removers. These are so handy. You can literally carry this in your bag. Now this is a bigger variant. You can get a smaller variant as well, but I freaking love this. Like, every time I get rid of my nail paint using these vibes, they leave behind this oily greasiness, which is actually really good because that definitely hydrates and nourishes not only my nails but also my cuticles, which, to be very honest, I don't give an F about on an everyday basis. So when that happens, my nails look so good, like they've come out of from salon or something, but it's actually just the vitamin E that is present in here. However, my only biggest turn off about this product is the scent of it. The variant that I have picked up is called as the Tangy Fragrance, which is so true to its claim, and yes, the scent is quite strong and on your face. I'm not sure if they have different variants in terms of fragrances. Acetone in a longer run is absolutely not good for your nails, and it does tend to take away the life from your nails, and at the end it is acid. Acetone, acid. So it's not just, how is it supposed to be good, honey? It's not. So please, it's okay if you have to use a wipe or two. Honestly, with this I can use one wipe for both of my hands and even my toes for that matter, and I'm good to go. Also, you get 30 wipes in here. Moving on to some lip care. Yes, now Again, I'm not a lip balm fanatic. I came across this product and oh my god, this is life changing, honestly, and this is so freaking underrated. I don't know why I've never heard anyone talk about this, and this is the Vedic line Cocoa Strawberry Lip Cream. Now, as you can see, I have used so much of this product. It is unreal for me. Like, I have never finished even a single lip balm, or maybe I did. Point over here is I ended up finishing this within like months, okay? And this is such an amazing product. This product is a lip cream which you tend to use at night because of how heavy and how creamy it is. So you just take this and lather it on your lips, go off to sleep, and I kid you not, no matter in which temperature you live, because you're gonna wake up with the most, okay, the most amazing, soft, nourished lip ever known to mankind. Trust me. In terms of flavor, there is actually no flavor. There is no chocolate. Moving on to some face masks. Now this one definitely has to be my hands down favorite, and this is by the House of Natural, and this is the Natural Bath and Body Grapefruit and Vitamin C face mask. Like, it's got this gel-like consistency. It got a lot of all natural granules in there, and the smell, the fragrance is so fruity. Like, if summer was a thing, this is how it would smell like. Wow, it's very awakening types. And in terms of what it does, it hydrates. Yes, it hydrates your skin to another level. I tend to keep this on my face for good 30 minutes minimum because I just love what it does to my skin, because as I said, I come from a dry skin type and I need the kind of hydration. No matter how much moisturizer I lather, sometimes things like these, they definitely work, and honestly, no joke, no exaggeration at this point. This is so freaking good that every time I use this before I put my makeup, oh my god, my makeup just glides. Definitely a big must have for everybody out there with dehydrated skin. You know, it doesn't matter if you have oily or dry skin type. If you have dehydrated, dull looking skin, then definitely give this a shot. And also it has vitamin C, which will help, and it does actually do what it says. That is, it definitely brightens your skin. Next up, what I have is yet another mask which I would highly recommend for everybody out there with oily and extreme oily skin. For dry skin, guys, I wouldn't recommend this to you unless you want to go for a very tightening effect on your skin. Then definitely this mask is for you. And this is the Patanjali Multani Mitti face mask. As you can see, I've used this quite a lot because there are days when I just want my skin to be tightened. It's almost like I'm face tuning myself by using a face mask in a way. It does tend to dry out my skin extremely, so yes, I have to lather my skin with tons and tons of moisturizer, but I think that's okay as long as I get the tightening effect. I'm all in. However, if you are someone with oily skin, honey, put this on your face and I am telling you, you're gonna be shook by this. It's absolutely amazing. Again, it's very inexpensive, so I don't know why you wouldn't at least give this a shot. It does tend to have this green mark, so I believe this is natural, because I know if this is green, it is natural. If it is black or red, you know there are some chemicals. That's at least what I read somewhere. On to something else that is a makeup remover. Now this is from the house of Lakme, and this is the Lakme Gentle and Soft Deep Pore Cleanser with avocado extract and vitamin E for normal to dry skin. This product is called as a cleansing milk, wherein basically it's very lightweight. You just take a little bit on your hand or a cotton pad and just massage it all over your face. Now for me, honestly, on days when I'm doing double cleansing method, that is, first I will go ahead and get rid of my entire makeup, wet wipe, and then I will go ahead and do it with this, just to make sure there is no excess makeup, and this stuff definitely works. Just spare a little bit for your skin, and I'm telling you, there's no coming back from this. It smells amazing, so that's a year product, and definitely a must have for every college going girl. Now moving on to another hair product which, oh my god, I've spoken so many times, but somehow I just don't get tired of using this product, and that is Himalaya Protein Hair Cream. I use this freaking stuff all the freaking time. So on days when I haven't oiled my hair but I still want to wash my hair because I feel disgusted by my hair, that is the time I use this stuff. Again, you can definitely use this product in like 4 different ways. If you want to know which they are, then definitely watch this video, which I did a detailed review about this and showed you in demo how to use it in 4 different ways. You're welcome. On to something else, and that is a peel-off mask, and this is by the house of Himalaya again, and this is the Moisturizing Cucumber Peel-Off Mask. I really love this. It definitely does what it says. On days when I want to hydrate my skin but I also want to firm my skin, I go ahead and use this because it does have the peel-off effect. No, it doesn't make your skin saggy. I know a lot of people have this concern that if they use a lot of peel-off, that will tend to make their skin saggy at the end of the life. Yuck, I'm sorry, that was a bad one. However, this is not one of those. Also, it does not hurt, it doesn't pain. It's like there but not there but still there, and it definitely one of those only peel-off masks that do not tend to dry out my skin. It doesn't moisturize, but it doesn't at least strip my skin away from whatever it has, you know. It's so balanced. I really enjoy this. Moving on to another product, that is this oil, which I personally like to use. Again, it's from the house of Vedic line, and I freaking love this. Now, I, like any other person, have heard so much about using oils, and please, to every oily skin girl out there, do not think that oils will clog your pores, because that's not what oils do, okay? So you can easily use oils and serums, and no, it will not break you out, or it wouldn't clog your pores. However, if you're dry skin, honey, stop what you're doing, drop what you're doing, grab this oil right here, right now. This is so good. I like using this with my foundation just to give that a little dewiness or something, and I like using this on its own, but like any other normal human being, I used to use a lot of this on my face, and it would make my face really greasy and really oily, and I just hated it. When I did this thing of using just four drops on 1, 2, 3, 4, and I just massaged it in and tapped it in, and it was perfect. I woke up with really amazing skin. So definitely give this a shot. I'm telling you, there's no coming back from it. It is awesome. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to share it with all your skincare lover friends. I'm pretty sure they're gonna enjoy this one because of how affordable everything is, and also how inclusive is this video. Your friend could be dry, oily combination. I'm promising you they're gonna find something for themselves. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you get updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media. The link is in the description, and I'll see you super soon. Till then, take care.